Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 3-pack of Unstoppables Febreze car air fresheners. So, let me scratch and sniff real quick. Ah, this smells good, this smells good. So, here's what the back of the packaging looks like. Directions: activate, clip, adjust. All right. Oh. Boom. And these 3 pop out. Here's a close-up of one. And to activate it, you just lift this up and it clicks. Then you'll start smelling fresh in your car. And you have 3 level settings up here. So this is the strongest one. You can see you can have lower setting, medium setting, or high setting for ultimate freshness. All right, everyone, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I bought this from. And yeah, let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. Take care. Later.